Alright folks, in this video we're going to look at finding the area and perimeter of a square or a rectangle, but there's a part missing. So for this one we need to use the information we're given to put all of the area and perimeter of the various shapes that are involved in the question together. So we could split a shape like this up into two rectangles and find the area and perimeter, well, the area of each, and add them together. For perimeter we just need to go all the way around the edge. We could split it that way and find the area of that shape and add them together. Or we could find the area of the whole thing as if it was just a rectangle, and then find the area of the smaller one and take that away, and that will give the area of the remaining part. Alright, so let's figure this out. So first of all, the perimeter, it's just the distance all the way around the edge. So we need to start from the corner and go all the way around. So down the left hand side, that's 8, and then across the bottom, that's 3. And then we need to go up this side. We've got this side missing, so we need to figure this out. We know that the whole thing is 8, and then this part here is 4, so that must mean that this bit is 4. So this bit is 8 minus 4, which is also 4, because if they're both 4, the whole thing's 8. So we've got 4 to bring us up from down here to up there, and then we've got 3 across there, 4 up to the top right corner, and then we're going all the way back here. We haven't got that distance already, so we need to use the information we're given so far. We know that that's 3, and so is that, so that must be 6. Alright, and then the perimeter is just adding all of those together. So we've got 8 and 3, that's 11, and 4 is 15, 3 is 18, 4 is 22, 6 is 28. So the perimeter is 28 centimeters in this one. Everything's in centimeters, let's say. So alright, the area, let's split this into two rectangles. We can split it anywhere, but I'm just going vertically because why not. 3 times 4 is 12. Remember, the area of a rectangle is just base times the height. So the area of this part is 12 centimeters squared. The area of this one is 3 times 8, because the base is 3, the height is 8. So the area of this one's 24. 12 add 24 is 36, so the area is 36 centimeters squared. Let's try another example. Let's say the perimeter of this, first of all, so if we go down the left and across the bottom, that's 8 and 9, that's 17. And then up here is going to be 8 take away 3, so that's 5. And then along there is 4, and up there is 3, so that's another 7. And then along the top is, we don't know that one, so we need to figure it out. We know it's 9 all the way across, and that bit's 4. So it's going to be 9 minus 4 for that part, because the 9 is the whole thing from the bottom, and then the 4 is just that bit from that. So 9 minus 4, that's 5. So the perimeter of that is 34 centimeters. Just all of those added together. Alright, now the area, let's split it that way and find the base and the height of each shape here. So the base and the height of the bottom rectangle, the base is 9. Then the height we need to figure out. So we've got the whole height is 8, but we don't want the top, which is 3. So we need to take that away from 8. That gives us 5. So the area of the bottom rectangle is 9 times 5, which is 45. Let's put that in there actually. And then the area of the top rectangle, we know the height is 3. The base is going to be 9 minus 4, which is 5 again. So we've got 3 times 5, or 15 centimeters squared in that one. So 45 add 15, that's 60. So the area of this whole shape is 60 centimeters squared. We'll do one more example. Alright, so the perimeter of this, we've got 12 and 11 and 7 and 5, and we need to figure out that side and that side. So let's add those together first. 12 and 11 is 33, and 5 is 38, and 7 is 45. So we've got 45 plus that, plus that. Alright, so this bottom side is going to be 12 minus 5, so that's 7. And then this side is going to be 11 minus 7, which is 4. So we've got 7 and 4 to add together, that's 11 plus our 45 makes 56, so the perimeter is 56. Alright, for the area, let's try this method where we find the area of the whole thing and then take away this smaller one. So we've got 11 times 12, which makes 132, and the two smaller ones times together to make 35, and then if we take 35 from 132, we get 97. So the area would be 97. Let's work it out this way as well. So we'll split it into rectangles and see if we get the same thing. So 11 times 7 is 77. 5 times 4 is 20. So yeah, we get 97 if we add those together as well. And then we could split it that way as well, and we should get the exact same thing. So this one is 7 by 7, so that's 49. And then 4 12s is 48, which add together to make 97 as well. So any method would work for finding the area of a shape like that.